Good afternoon, everybody, and a big welcome to Tom's Films. Now, today I am back, and I am back with another video. Now, this isn't any old video. This is a up-to-date, refreshed version of what is the most successful video to date on my channel. Some of you who have been subscribed for a long time will know that as of to date, the PS4 noise test that I did back on my old original model white PS4 is the most successful video and most watched video on my channel. So I thought, obviously, people clearly liked that. People clearly were interested in that, and obviously were willing to view it. So I thought, why not utilize the recent release of the PS5 and yeah, do another video for you, another noise test. And obviously, as before, and I do emphasize this a lot, I am only an amateur sort of YouTuber. Everything, I don't have any professional equipment. I'm just recording from my iPhone XR. I just use basic Apple video editing, the preloaded app. I think it's called like iMovie or something. So yeah, what you are about to see isn't by any stretch of the imagination a professional sort of consumer level noise test. However, it does give you some sort of general indication as to what you might expect. So without further ado, I'm going to cut the intro here and enjoy. Right guys, so for the first segment of this video, it's going to be a boot up with no disc inside the console. It's not a completely from cold boot up as it has been on a short while ago. However, this should still be sort of like an accurate reflection of what it sounds like booting up without a disc in it. So without further ado, as you can see, obviously it's not currently on, no signal to my TV there, but without further ado, I'm just going to hit the power button. So as you can see there, not only is it pretty quick, it's also pretty quiet as well. Like I say, this is a boot up with no disc inserted. I'm now going to cut the video and I'll show you what happens when you boot it up with a disc inside. So for the second boot up, I'm now going to power up the PS5. This time there is a disc inserted. It's the Mafia 2 Definitive Edition. Not that I would imagine it makes a difference what disc is inserted, but yeah, like I say, this time I'm going to boot the console up and there is currently a disc inside. So again, without further ado, here we go. So as you can see, it's considerably louder, obviously with a disc inside, when you boot it up with a disc inside, because obviously it obviously the disc starts spinning the second you power it up. What I'm going to do now is obviously cut the video, and I'm going to show you the noise it makes when you insert a disc to the console. Now there's no introduction, just get my words out, no introduction to this in the next little clip. Has actually filmed this a couple of days ago, but yeah, the next little segment you're going to see is pretty self-explanatory. It's obviously me putting a disc in when the console is already on. And you can obviously hear what it sounds like when you first put a disc in the console. Okay guys, and this is what it sounds like when the game is loaded. So obviously, as you can see here, Mafia 2 Definitive Edition. It's just loaded up. I'm really early into the game, but it's just paused there. But yeah, when the game is sort of just playing, this is what it sounds like. So it certainly does quieten itself down a bit.